Hello, my name is Krisha Shahi. I am here to present demo on object-oriented program. So let's get started with the demo. So the first requirement is OOP graphics that are properly added to the project. So I have added the OOP graphic jar uh, to my project. So let me show you. So this is the OOP graphics that jar. Now it's yes. So moving to the second. Project contains main class Java set up OOP graphics correctly by extending OOP graphics, or you have moved on and on this graphics system Java and you have made an object of this in main class Java. So this in your project. So in this project I have made two classes. One is main class Java and another is total graphics class Java. So main class Java is right here. So it's yes. Now moving to the third, correctly call the OOP graphics about method and the turtle animation is displayed. Show your code and then show it running. So I already said I have made two classes. So let's move to the turtle graphics Java. So in right here about command, this is the about command code. So we'll run this and see if it display turtle animation graphics or not. So it displays turtle animation graphics, so it's yes. Now moving to the main class, the Java has a main method which creates an object of graphics system and then all the further processing is done from this object. So I have already said it before. We'll see the main class Java right here. It is the main method and I have used all this code for my project in main class Java, so it's yes. Now moving to the another question, the about method is called and the OP animation appears. So if we'll run the turtle graphics, this is the code actually about the about command. So we'll run this. Sorry. We'll run this and if we'll type here about, it displays the OOP graphics. As it displays the OOP graphics, so it's the correct. So we'll tick here yes. So moving to the requirement 2, we'll see if all of these codes works or not with a parameter. So pen down, forward, backward, turn left, turn right, pen up. These all are right here. So pen up code is right here. Pen color, pen down, turn left, turn right, forward, backward, pen width. So these are the all commands code I have used. So moving to the first question, we'll see if the pen down works or not. We'll run the program. We'll type here pen down as a question said. So it doesn't show any error, so it's yes. Now we'll move to the second question. So as my forward command works with the parameter, I'll do here yes and move to the next question. In this question, it says write forward 100. So it works. So we'll do here yes. Now move. My backward command works with the parameter, so it's yes. So moving to the second question, as question said, we have to type backward 100. It works too, so it's yes. Now as a question said, turn left command works. You can tick this if it works without or with the parameter. It works with both, so I'll do this yes. Now as a question said, we have to turn left 90 and then forward 100. We'll type first here turn left turn left 90 and then forward 100. Both of these works, so it's yes right here. Now the right turn right command works. You can tick this if it works with or without the parameter, so it's yes. Now moving to the next question, we have to do here turn right 90 and then forward 100. We'll do turn right first of all 90 and then forward 100. So it works, so we'll do here yes. Now moving to the another question or requirement, now we have to do pen up first of all. We'll see if the pen up works or not. Pen up, then as the question said, we have to type turn right 90 and then forward 100. And if all of this command works with parameter, you should see an and shape with the turtle on the bottom left and pointing left. So this is the and shape one, and the turtle is right at the left bottom pointing left, so it's right, so we'll do here yes. Now let's clear this. Now at least four color commands such as red command working, so it working typing pen down then red then forward 100. Now first of all let's do pen down as question said. Now pen color red, red and then forward 100. So it works. I'll show you all the four colors. Now let's move to the pen color. Forward 50 plus blue 2. Now let's move to the pen color green. Forward 50. So it works with green as well. Now we can pass parameter as well. So for example, pen color 255, 255, 255, forward 100. So these are the four colors, so it's yes. Now clear the command working, so in your code and so it clearing the display. So the clear command, so it's right here, so clear command code is right here. So these are the code I have used in clear command. Now to clear this display we have to write here clear, then it shows this dialog box if saying you want to save them or no. For now let's say no, then it clears all the outputs or graphics. Now moving to the reset command. Reset command is right here. These are the code I use in reset command. Now moving to the reset command, we'll write here reset, then it reset and comes to the between, so it works center yes. So moving to the requirement 3. Now we'll run this code and write here type here xxx and it says invalid command. So I have used this in all of all commands. For example in reset command, if we write another it will says invalid command like this. Now moving, so it says invalid command, so it's yes. Now detect the valid command with missing parameter. Now let's run the it without a parameter forward. So invalid command, only one distance parameter expected, so it says a missing, parameter, so it doesn't run, it says error, so it's yes. Now detect non-numeric parameter. Let's write forward xxx. It says non-numeric data is found, so it's yes. So bounce parameter, for example, you could show that you can't move the turtle off the screen or excessively larger number, so we'll write here triangle, for example 1200. So its side length should be not negative and exceed then, as it is more than excessively larger number, it shows error, so it's yes. Now moving to the requirement 4. So in this project I have made 4 commands. One is save image, load image, and save command and load command. So I'll show you all of this. Let's run it. First of all, let's make a triangle, for example triangle 100. Sorry, typing mistake, sorry. Triangle 100. So it now we'll save this command. First of all, let's see command 1. Command directory plus txt. So let's load this command. To load the command, we have to add load commands and then open the file which saved. Open. So these are the command I have used. Now moving to the save image and save command, load image. Let's save this image first of all. Save image. We'll save this image as a tree.png. Save. Now we'll load this image. png1 file. So I have, so this works properly, so we'll take here save command works, load command works. It's yes. Uh, save all the commands previously typed as a text file. So in your code, draw something and save the command. So the command in the text editor, I have already shown this. So load a text file of a command and execute them. Use them command in the previous section. So in your code, draw something and save the command. Clear the image. Run the save commands to show the image is declared. The command should be displayed either in a text field or on the console. So I've already shown this as well. Uh, in this question it says to show the commands I have saved before. Now a warning is displayed somewhere. Console etc. dialog box. If the current image is not saved and displayed is not affected until the user answers. So in your code, draw something and then try to clear to show the warning. So let's run the code. First of all, let's write square, for example square 50. if we try to clear it, it shows a dialog box saying current commands are not saved. Do you want to save them? If we do no, then only it clears the screen. So yes, it works. A warning is displayed using GUI box if the current image is not saved and the display is not affected until the user, as it is the same question it shows, so it's yes. Now moving to the requirement 5, override the about method so that still does the same dance but appends a message that contains your name. So in your code, so the new about method working. So first of all, we have to comment this out. I mean, we have to comment this in, and then this we should comment out this. We have to run this. If we type here about, it displays my name. So it displays my name, so it's right. Now moving to the implemented or square length command, turtle should wander around the edge of the square and return to its original position. Now let's see the code first of all. Square one, square command. So this is the square command code I have used. So let's run it. Square, for example, let's write 50. It draws a square. Sorry, typing mistake. Sorry. Square 50. Let's enter. So it draws a square. So it's right. So we'll do your yes. Now a pen red, green, blue command that takes three parameters, one for red, one for green and one for blue to make an RGB color. This should be subject for all the full arrays, but it is enough to record only that the parameter is not present which parameter. Okay, for the RGB, here it is for the RGB colors. These are all the codes I have used, so let's run it. For example, if we write pen down, pen color 2550255 forward 100, then it draws a color. Or for example, let's clear this and do another as well. One right first. For example, let's say pen color 255 255 255 forward 100, then it draws a white color, so it's correct. Now moving to the pen width, let's the code for the pen width is right here. Let me show you. Here is the code for the pen width command. So this is all I have used. So let's run it. Let's write pen width 50 for example, then forward. So it's correct, so it's yes. Now moving to the triangle size, here is the triangle one. Triangle command is right here, just wait a minute. So these are the triangle, equilateral triangle, and as well as the three sides triangle code is right here. This is all I have used. So let's run it. Let's move this right here. Now let's try triangle, passing one parameter, triangle for example 100. So it's correct, so it's yes. Now moving to the second, let's clear this out. No, let's reset this. Now let's see triangle. So 50, 60, 70. Draws a triangle, so it's correct, so it's yes. So this is all the things. These are my demo for the OOP. Thank you.